I'm going to talk about adjective noun agreement. The main rule here is that adjectives match to the number and gender to the nouns they modify. Before we get going on adjectives, let's look at nouns just for a minute here. So masculine nouns in general are going to end in O. Feminine nouns in general are going to end in A. If you want to make a masculine noun plural, you're going to add S to that. And if you want to make it feminine, you're just going to add an S to that. So let's look at some examples. If you have a singular male noun, for example, a boy here, you're going to end that with O. Okay, so we got el chico. And to make the noun agree with that, you're going to say alto. So everything has to agree, even the article, with the noun. And you come over to the right side. If you're talking about a couple of boys here, you're going to say los chicos altos. So once again, everything agrees with the noun. Coming down to the feminine object, we got one girl here, or the tall girl. You're going to end that noun with a la chica, and the adjective has to agree with that, alta. And so now we have two girls. You're going to say las chicas altas. So once again, just like the masculine, they all have to agree with the noun that they modify. So you got chicas altas, so let's get some rules here. We know that previously that masculine nouns end in O, feminine nouns end in A in general. And if a noun ends in an E, it's going to match both genders. So we have el maestro, inteligente, there's no change there, or la maestra, inteligente, no change. Some adjectives ending in a consonant match both genders. Okay, so we have el amigo joven, and here's the consonant. Doesn't change to joveno or something like that. Same thing with the feminine. We got la amiga joven. You don't add anything to it. It's just joven. If you were wanting to make that plural, you can say los amigos jóvenes. You would add an es to that. Or if you want to make this plural, you would say las amigas jóvenes. On some adjectives, you're going to add an a to the ending. For we have el chico trabajador, ends in a consonant R. We're not going to add anything, do anything to that if it's masculine. That's if it's feminine, however, we're going to say la chica trabajadora. You're going to put an A on that. And if you were wanting to make this plural, you would say los chicos trabajadores. Add an ES to that. If you want to make this plural, you're going to say las chicas trabajadoras. You're going to add an S to that. Finally, to make an adjective plural, add an S to the end if it ends in a vowel, and add an ES if it ends in a consonant. So kind of like what we did up here. trabajadora ends in a vowel, so we're just going to add an S to it. And trabajador ends in a consonant, so we're going to be adding an ES to that. So let's look at some examples here. A la chica. So we want to say the athletic girl likes to run. So a la chica, we're looking at everything is going to be feminine here. So we got la, and so we're going to say atlética. Le gusta correr. El hombre con los libros estudias. Es. So we're looking at el hombre, which is singular, in masculine. So we're going to say estudioso. Number 3, we got las chicas son muy desorganizadas. Once again, we're going to look at the articles and the nouns, and they're both plural and feminine. So we got los chicos, plural and masculine, son muy cómicos. Then we got la mujer es muy bonita. El muchacho, masculine, singular, es muy guapo. So that concludes adjective and noun agreement.